Okay, I'm gonna do it.
How can you not burp?
It doesn't.
It's squirt.
I don't know. You wanna try it?
Sure. Don't.
Sorry.
I only have one hand. Well, I mean, I have two, but.
Oh, I almost had one. I can't do it.
You're a guy! How can I do it better than you?
It's very chancy with me. Just... That didn't help.